Welcome to our channel. So today we will discuss about Python and introduction to it and understanding what is Python, why to learn Python, and where exactly it can be used and where it is being used. Okay, so let's say what is Python. So Python is a high level interpreted programming language. So, as all of you might know, that so high level is that it can be run on other than machine level. Examples that C++ can be run on machines like it on chips, on controllers that we do, and we compile those onto those, and we can say that those are machine level programming. But Python is high level that can be used in different sectors that we will discuss soon, and it is interpreted by line, and it can be debugged and it can be tested during the development. And Python, we don't compile those into classes as it's high level programming language. And then why people love learning Python, or why it is being used by so many other industries in in the world. So now, code readability and simple syntax. So Python will not insist you to use so many braces or so much of syntactical stuff, you can say, but it can be easily find out that what exactly the mistake you did as soon as you type some code in any IDE nowadays. Especially you can use either JetBrains or JetBrains PyCharm, or you can use Visual Studio Code, which is freely can be used. Okay, and then code readability. I love to see the Python code, because you visually it looks so clean, and no line breaks, unnecessary line breaks, or no the lines are cleanly has to be written because of the indentation. So you have to follow some code practices in order to achieve the quality of it, but it does support it very nicely. Once you write some code in Python, you love writing it, you love following those standards of it. And when you read or when you look at the libraries those written in Python, damn, you love to see the code written. But I never see such clean code in any of the libraries, that even though JavaScript libraries come across, those are very confusing for me. But when you look at Python code that is being written in any paying works, very clean and nice. And so we can just see the example snippet. We'll just understand it and run it in the console why once we set up. So here we see print is, you can say println, system.print, all those in different other programming languages. But this is very simple, that you are trying to print hello world, just print and put it is a string that you have to put it in quotes and just type it, it works. So that's so simple. And next we will see why we used and why we need to learn Python, not other languages. First, I can say, so you can learn other languages if you like to do, and it's up to you. But we just discuss about Python. So first of all, people just love this word, say beginner friendly. So beginner friendly, why we say, because as a student, as high school student, you can easily understand Python, or a college graduate can easily understand while you are doing your graduation. And if you would like to do any project, you can do with Python, and you can easily learn as well. So while you can just go through the documents, all that. So you just learn those. And then why we need to learn Python now? So now it's beginner friendly, okay, I'm agree. Now, so what would be my opportunities that once I learn Python, so where exactly I will be placed? So here you will be, right? So now it is versatile, so it can be used in web, data science, automation. Hey, what else we needed, right? So you can become a full stack developer, that learning with Python you can develop APIs, and then some with front end skills you will become a full stack developer. Now if you would like to become a data scientist, Python is the one. You do like to do some automation, you can do by use with do using with Python and AI, which is a very trending topic now, right? So now one more thing. Now while I'm developing some projects, how can I get help from, where can I get help from? So for that, we need to look at community support. So Python is evergreen because it is being there from last couple of decades, and it is vastly, available resources. And if you post something on Stack Overflow, you obviously will get reply from so many engineers outside, and I'll get definitely good help on any project implementation where you stuck at. So you can use Copilot if you'd like to use Copilot or ChatGPT to nowadays to ask something. But before few years, we used to go through a lot of articles and ebooks to find out some solutions. And now I'm doing it now. People might think that it's a new thing, that where exactly it is being used already, that to get some confidence, okay, that that particular company is being used. Now that is what the exact question people might get. Now here is the answer. Now, so Instagram, you just hear about Instagram every time. So but that, so they're all, mostly backend services done with Python, and then data handling, and they do a lot of analytics with Python as well. And again, Netflix is a good example that you always stream some content there, and they say data analysis, and then and some kind of ML that can be that is being used there, and done with Python. So that's all about what is Python, why Python, and where it is being used. Now we need to get into our practical, real time, some examples where we can practice together. And for that, we need to set up our system to support Python. Okay, so let's see how we can set up Python and start writing some basic, programming with Python. Okay, let's get started.